So this video will show you how to activate prospects so that you can start to sell to them using the Sales Rocket system. So when you log in, you'll come over and look for your sales rhythms, and your data will have been uploaded for you. So in this particular example, we're going to start reaching out to members. So you can see these are the sales steps that we will be taking to get meetings and demos and ultimately close business. And currently, we've got 2 active and 342 pending. So what I'm going to show you is, to do this thing right, you only want to activate maybe 10 to 20 people a day to initiate them into the sales process. And then if you're having a lot of success, you can kind of stop activating for a few days to catch up with the work. What you don't want to do is throw too many people into your sales rhythm and not be able to keep up with it. So the way that you would go about doing this, and I'm going to look for the ones that have my name attached to it. We'll say select individual. We'll start off with him. And we'll activate him. Success. And I'll go to page 2. Here's a couple more that I will activate for myself. Activate. And the reason why it's set up this way is you can be really selective. If you've put 100, 200 people into this, there might be 10 people initially that you want to target first to really get the ball rolling. People that you know closely, things of that sort. So that's video 1 showing you how to activate. I've got some other videos right behind this that will help you as well.